dance with me. That's Rock Steady from 73.
The real Rock Steady taking out these toys. The real Rock Steady taking out these toys.
Yo, check it out. This is your man Dodex. Understand? First things first. I'm here with a legend. Brand Nubian is known, but this is one of the people that started it off. Before it was all this television stuff, and before it was all that, these dudes was doing the Rock Steady group. This is the freak. What's messing with that? A legend right here. Understand that when I say let this is what I'm humbled down to, and that's how we rock. It's Dodex, Rock Steady crew. This is how we do it. Crazy. What it is. Baby.
Steve Schreiber, you know me as Bobby Bacala from The Sopranos. Watch my man, Mr. Freeze. There's nobody.
Mr. Freeze. I want to give a shout out to my man, Mr. Freeze, Rock Steady crew, pioneer. You know what I'm saying? Icons. You know how we get down. We've been doing this for a long time. Big shout outs, big respect to all that y'all don't know. Back in the days, Mr. Freeze was one of the only dudes that hit the floor and could pop in New York City with equal bound.
Mr. Freeze.
History of a B-boy. What is the history of a B-boy? What is a B-boy? I'm a teacher.
Here we go, on the run, don't know what we're running from.
Shout out to the brother Mr. Freeze, one of the nastiest hip-hop dancers, a pioneer of hip-hop dance, one of the freshest b-boys I ever seen since we were kids. I always thought he was one of the nastiest. Crazy style, crazy finesse, the true Bronx flavor.
When I saw him do his thing, like he was doing a lot of really clean footwork and he had a really funky top rock. And the thing about him that was so different from everybody else is he had this character. Like everything he did, every little thing he did had a character to it. And that's the one thing about Mr. Freeze that you're gonna get, is that personality that comes out that he has into his dancing. And it's dope.
What we're gonna do right here is go back.
What I do is the rawest element of the culture of hip-hop, the B-boy. We get down on the concrete, on the floor. We don't need cardboard, we don't need linoleum. That came in the later years of the culture. We are raw, rough, and rugged. We're B-boys.
Moving, do it, you know.
All aboard! The real Rock Steady taking out these toys.